Well, hello folks. Okay, this is the third time I've tried to do this video. I'm not very good at this Apple iPhone thing and the whole 9 yards. So, um, trying to show you how I use multiple companies with Motive. And also, I'll show you how I use multiple drops in the same day. Like if I drop in the morning for one company, and a couple hours later I pick up another truck for another company, how I log those in Motive. I'll show you those two things here. This editing software, I can barely see this screen, so I'm just going to have to wing it. I will say I'm not an expert in Motive or logging. If you follow my example, you're going to do it at your own risk. Having said that, all four companies that I've been leased to have had no problems with the way I did this. Actually, the lady at Quality, I think her name was Miss Crawford or Crenshaw or something like that. This is how she set up multiple companies. And I've had two DOT inspections, one in Colorado, one in Texas, and my logs have passed with flying colors. So, did they check all this? I don't know. Um, I don't know what they checked. They just looked at my logs. So, anyway, let's get on to it. Here we're going to start with our logs. As you can see, it's easiest for me just to go into the day and then go to the forms and then go down. I think here I am going down to my name. I think Bart near me. No, I'm starting with the carriers. This is multiple units a day. If I do two, you always put the truck numbers up here. You can, as far as I know, you can put as many truck numbers as you want, but you put the truck VIN numbers up there. Then you're going to come down here. If you got a trailer, put trailer number. Otherwise, you're going to go down here and put the gosh, what the hell is that? I don't know. BOL numbers. That's right, the BOL numbers down there. And if you're just doing one, you'll have one BOL number. If you're having two, then obviously you separate them with a comma or a pipe, and you put two BOL numbers. And this is how you will do multiple trucks if you're picking one up one day and then dropping another, whatever. So now, how you put multiple carriers in, I think that's where I'm headed next. Like I said, I can barely see this in the editing software. It was so much easier. Okay, this is how I do my name. Put your name here, obviously first name, last name. And you're going to put your driver's ID for each company out here where it says ID. We got three companies: Mofo Driveaway, Mo Money Driveaway, and Left Lane Driveaway. So you would put Mofo Driveaway number, whatever your driver number is for Mofo or for your first company, separated by a comma or a pipe, and then you'll put your second company, Left Lane Driveaway. You're going to put your driver number for them, separated by a comma, and so forth and so on. Next, we're going to head down here, I believe, to the carriers, and I'll show you how I enter multiple carriers into this. I hope this shows up on the video. I'm going to be so disappointed if it doesn't. Again, you can access this through settings. I just go through the day and hit form and go down that way. By clicking this, it takes you to the form. Under carriers, what I do, like Mofo Driveaway, then I put their DOT number out, separate it with a comma or a pipe. Now I'll put Left Lane Driveaway, their DOT number, separated by a comma or a pipe, and the third company. Whatever companies you're with, you put them there, put their DOT number out to the side, separate them with a comma or a pipe. And I think Sip of coffee there. Then we're going down to, I don't know. Hold on. I've got my glasses on. I can't still see this. Give me just a sec. Hopefully I can get. Then you're going to go down to their addresses and I put them in order. Um, Whatever. I got this thing magnified. Okay, that helped. Their main office. I do not put anything under the what is that, primary location or main terminal. I don't put anything there. In main office locations, I put the address for the main office location for each company. I'll put 123 Main for Mofo Driveway, and they're going to be in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I don't go over to that state thing. I leave that blank. And then for left lane driveway, down here where it says main office address, there'll be a comma or pipe separating left lane driveway from Mofo driveway. It puts up the address of their main office. And so forth and so forth. And this is the way it will look in your logbook. This is the way it will look when it's printed out. I hope y'all are getting this, because man, I'm looking through this through my magnifier. Again, I put nothing under the main terminal address. The terminal address. I just go by the main office and the zip code. I don't think I did it here. I think I did it as an example in Atlanta. I would go ahead, and when you're putting in the cities, go ahead and put the zip codes and just ignore that zip code menu at the end. And that way I think it looks better in your logs by doing that. That way all the addresses are together, and I may change that in my personal logs here, because I think it looks better when it comes out on your logs that way. Now you have to remember, my magnifier just died. You have to remember, I think we're basically through most of this. You have to remember, I go down here also if I'm doing multiple trips a day. I list let's say the first one is Wichita to Salina. And that's load 1. I will put number 1, Wichita, and then destination number 2, or number 1, Salina, and so forth and so forth. Some people say you don't have to fill that out, but this is what I was getting to earlier. You need to realize, the way I look at it, I'm explaining this to a 3rd grader. Okay, he needs to know where I've been, where I'm going. He needs to know all the basic pertinent info. Do I have to fill that destination, all that stuff out? I don't know. I do. It makes it easier for them to understand, and that's our goal, is to get in and out of these chicken coops as quick as possible. Don't be a dick. Don't argue with them. Just give them the info they want. Get in, get out. It's not in your best interest to spend hours there arguing with them and getting all bent out of shape. Yes, I didn't. This is a dummy account, and I haven't signed none of these because this is a dummy account. But and the last line under destination is where I put each company that I'm driving for, and that day. Load number 1 is Mofo or whatever it was, and the load number 2 is for left lane. I put all that. I tried to make it easy for them to understand. Okay, I hope this has helped. If it is, please like and subscribe. Got any comments, leave them below, and I'll try to get to them and help answer them if I can. I can't promise I can answer all. Like I said, I'm not an expert. This is the way I do it, and I hope this has helped y'all out. So catch you later.